Hello everyone, welcome to OddsKiller tutorial number 1. In this video, I'm going to talk about what arbitrage betting is and how you can make money from it. So arbitrage betting is an activity where you simultaneously place bets on all the outcomes of an event in a way that you make a profit at the end of the game, no matter who wins. So you must be thinking, how is that possible? So let's take an example. So in this example, we have a tennis match between Andy Murray and Novak Djokovic. You are getting odds with Betfair for Andy Murray winning 1.3, for Novak Djokovic winning 3.93. So what does these numbers mean? So this 1.3 means that if you will put £100, you will get 1.3 times of that. That means £130 if Andy Murray wins on Betfair. Similarly, for Novak Djokovic, if you put £100, you will get £393. Similarly, for Ladbrokers, you can see that they are getting a little higher odds for Andy Murray, 1.42, and a little lower for Novak Djokovic, 2.9. Now, how can I use this and convert it into an opportunity where I make money no matter who wins? So, what I do, I will place £100 on Andy Murray at Ladbrokers. So which means that I will be getting £142 if Andy Murray wins. In the second bet, I will not place on Ladbrokers, but I will place it on Betfair. Now, to get the same £142, I need to place only £36. Now, as you can see that if Andy Murray wins, I get £142. If Novak Djokovic wins, I get £142. And I have put 100 plus 36. So which means I put £136 in total and I'm getting £142 no matter who wins. Which means that I have a profit of around £6. So that's how it works. But this kind of situation is not going to be always there. You have to find for it. So at any given point in time, there might be hundreds of such scenarios that are happening, but they last for only few minutes. So you need to find them very quickly. That's where Odd Killer comes into play. We help you find those opportunities in a click and you can start betting and make money. Thank you. Let's move on to the next video.